it's Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. Well, I'm going to show you what I've been cross stitching for the past 2 weeks, and it has not been so fruitful because I haven't done so much. I've still been suffering from my illnesses and my the colds that I had and other health issues that I have. So I was very, very tired and I had to work. And when I came from work, I was so tired. The only thing I could do is just take a shower, eat, and go to bed because I was so tired. So I didn't accomplish that much. But hopefully the next 2 weeks are going to be better. And I'm going to be cross-stitching more and have more time. I hope so. I am really, really not feeling well. But hopefully I'll be better. So I'm going to show you what I've been cross-stitching. And as I said before, it's not that much, but it is what it is. So the first cross-stitch project that I'm going to show you, this is a kit by Dimensions. That was made in 2018. It's not old, but it's not that new either. It's 9 by 12 inches. And it's cross-stitched on kind of beige 14 count Aida fabric that is very, very stiff and hard to work with. So before I show you what I cross-stitched, let me just show you a picture of what this cross-stitch project looked like the last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what I've cross-stitched. So the only thing I managed to cross-stitch on this project was the arm of the girl. This is her hand. This is her nail polish, and she has bracelets and the arm here, and it's a couple of different colors here and a blend of colors. It's not very, very complicated, but it took me some time. And as I said, I didn't have that much time to cross stitch her, but this part here is finished. I haven't done the back stitching, and I'm not really that interested in doing the back stitching right now. Maybe later on, we'll see. I really wish I had time to cross stitch the other arm and maybe her neck, but unfortunately I didn't. But we'll see. I do enjoy it. I think there's gonna be a lot of different colors here and a lot of back stitching, and her face is gonna be hard, probably very complicated, but we'll see. So the next project, let me just get this out of the way. And this is a project from a magazine called Cross Stitcher, and this is from October 2023. So one of the latest issues. A beautiful fox here. I like it very much. And this is cross-stitched on 14 count Aida fabric by Zweigart. And I'm using DMC floss. Let me just show you the beautiful floss that I have here. I love the colors. Nice, bright, vibrant autumn fall colors. Love them. So before I show you what I cross-stitched, let me just show you a picture of what this project looked like the last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what I've cross-stitched. I don't know if you can see very well. Here it is. So I mainly focused my attention on the tree. I did a little bit of the sky here, the roots of the tree and the branches, but I am not done with the tree. The branches are not all done. If you can see here, they are going to be very, very long. So they're going to be here. But you can see now the outline of the circle that's going to be here. It's forming. So I think that I'm going to continue cross-stitching maybe the grass here and do the fox. This is going to be my main project for the fall months, the autumn months. So I am hopefully going to finish this by the end of November, or maybe even earlier. So I'm gonna focus a lot on this project, maybe show you this project every time I make a video until it's finished. And this is, there are no half cross stitches here, and there's no back stitching, just full crosses. And it's very fun and very easy. And it's like, this I did only in 2 days. It's like so easy to cross stitch, nothing complicated. So this just took me 2 days to cross stitch. So let me just get this out of the way, and I'll show you the last project that I cross-stitched this week. And this is a kit by Magic Needle. And I know that a lot of people on my channel, especially on my English videos, love this project. Magic Needle, and this is cross-stitched on 14 count. 8 of fabric, but it is not Zweigart. It is something called Gamma. I think it's made in Asia, and it's not the best, but it's not the worst. It's quite decent, and I have there's a lot of colors in here. Let me just show you, just a second. And what I like about this project that is the chart is in color, so it's easy to follow. And inside here of the kit you had these cards, project cards, but they're not very they're bad quality. This is just very soft cardboard, and you have to change the floss very many times. So I decided to take these away and use a wooden organizer like this. Here are all the colors, and there are 47 colors. Beautiful, bright. And this, the floss is also from Gamma, and it's cotton floss, and it's also quite decent. It's not the same level as Anchor floss or DMC, but it's quite decent, and it's easy to work with. So before I show you what I cross-stitched, let me just show you a picture of what this cross-stitch project looked like the last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what I cross-stitched. The only thing that I managed to cross-stitch here, this is the bridge. And it really reminds me of the bridge that is in Prague, the Czech Republic. It's very beautiful. And of course the water and the reflection in the water. And here you can see the dove. So this part here, I've cross-stitched. I have no idea where I'm gonna go next. Maybe cross-stitch the couple with the stairs here. Or maybe focus on this part. I have no idea. Or maybe go up here. No idea. I haven't decided. But it's becoming very nice. It's beautiful. But it's not easy. Many colors. You have to change them. There are blends of colors as well. And I haven't done the back stitching, but there's not a lot of back stitching in this project. Not that much. So let me know in the comment section what you think about my cross-stitch projects, which one you like the most. And I'm sorry that I don't have that much to show you this time, but hopefully, fingers crossed, that next 2 weeks, I'm gonna be more fruitful. I'm gonna have more done, more finished, more cross-stitched, and more to show you. So I'm gonna leave it at this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and subscribe, and I'll show you a little bit of Stockholm where I live, and I'll see you in my next video. So have a great day. Bye bye.